Good morning, Tube. Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Channel Daily Barber Vlogs. Today is Monday. What is it, the 9th, I think? July 9th. So I'm headed to the shop right now. About to go get started. It's about 8:20. Going a little early. See what's going on over there. It's crazy heat wave this week, guys. Crazy heat wave here in the LA Basin. It was 116 on Friday. It was 110 on Saturday. Yesterday got up to about 104. So we've been steaming hot right here. Right now it's it's 8:20 and then it's 84 degrees already. So it's gonna be hot today again. When it's hot like this, guys, people need haircuts. What can I say? So we've been extremely busy, and again, I'm short-handed, and jeez, I can't find no barbers. I'm gonna put up an ad this week, see if I can find. I'm gonna call some people that have asked me and see what we can do. Maybe work something out. But I need another barber because my daughter's about to head out for maternity leave, and I need to be able to cover those spots and cover that station, make sure it's running. So that's another thing I got to work on and finding. I got to find another barber. But I'm gonna head to the shop right now, guys. We'll get started on this day. I got to finish up my 5-star Walh cordless review. I've taken my time on it. I haven't. I thought I finished it last week, and I was editing, and it didn't look too good. And then I don't think I gave it a thorough review like I really want to. And so I waited another 2 weeks to keep trying the machine, and I'm gonna let you guys know right now, guys, the machine is super badass. I mean, that's my go-to machine now. I simply love it. I'm using 2 of them, so I put one down, I charge it, and when that one loses power, I pick up the other one, and that's pretty much the way I'm using my system right now. I'll explain it in my review how I'm using them, but you know what? It's an awesome machine, guys. I can't deny it. Now, the other day I actually picked up a corded one, and it felt heavy and it felt weird in my hand. So I'm really loving that machine. So I'll give you guys my thorough review when I do it. It should be down, should probably be up this week, if not next week for sure. But I'm taking my time on it. I know everybody rushed through it. I was gonna do the same thing too and just give you my review, and but I'm gonna talk about little things about it that I love and little things that I don't like about it. But I'm almost at the shop right now. Get started on this day. Everybody grind on, guys. Come on, guys. If you guys ain't up today, if today's your day off, then all right, have a happy day off. But if you're scheduled to work and you're not at work, you're leaving money on the table. One of the things I got to get done today, guys, is I got to clean my shop. My shop is filthy, man. It's been so hot, and we've been short-handed, and like I told you guys before, I'm not just the head barber here. I'm also the janitor, the maintenance guy, I'm the accountant, I'm the everything. So things got to get done, and Monday's usually my cleaning day, so we'll see how it goes today. Hopefully it's, I want it to be busy, of course, but maybe it'll give me time to do some of the cleaning stuff that I got to do. The reason why I'm lacking on the cleaning thing too is because I don't have a sweeper right now, and usually the sweeper does a lot of the little detail stuff like doing windows and doing glass and stuff like that. So since I don't have a sweeper, I haven't had a sweeper for about a month and a half. So that's another thing that I don't have here as a sweeper. I'm short-handed on that department too. But I'm gonna get started on this day. I'm here right now, pulled up. So you can see the shop behind me. All right, but nobody's here, so I'm gonna get off right now and see what's up. All right, guys.
sunrise, late nights, wishing that this would be over. Cold ice, the same fights, we won't be getting any closer. We're supposed to be young, dumb and free, thought that we never be me. Hoping that you'll see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us, always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5, always thought that you'd be by my side. Up all of our mistakes, what we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb and free, thought that we never be mean. Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us, always thought that we would get it right.
What's the product lineup at your shop, right? This is what I got at my shop right here, guys. Some of the stuff that I carry. You know, retail is a big part of your business when you're a barbershop owner. If you're not retailing, guys, you're doing something wrong. Let me tell you. I'm gonna explain some of these products that I carry, okay? Well, gentlemen, that's it for today, guys. It was a relatively busy week. You know, this week was interesting only in the aspect that that it was so damn hot. It was just crazy hot this week. Hey guys, but I kind of want to go over some of this stuff that we have right here. Look, I want to check it out right here. This is some of the stuff that we saw, the retail stuff that we have here at my business, and I brought it to your attention before, and I mentioned it to you guys about different products that we sell here at the shop, and I kind of want to go over with a couple of them. Like, for instance, this stuff right here. This is Gentleman's Republic. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this product right here, this gel right here, but this gel is incredible. It smells so good, and it holds, does not flake. Very good product, guys. Of course, you guys all know about Johnny B. Johnny B's been around forever. It still sells. I mean, there's nothing I can say about it. It's changed. The company's changed names a couple of times. Been different companies taking over, and it's still a good product. Elegance. If you guys don't know about Elegance, get on Elegance. Elegance is a good product also. All these products are all good crafted gels that different companies own, you know. Echo's a economical good gel. This gel's been around for years, guys. This one right here, I sell for only $10. You know, the retail up is 200% on that. So I mean, I suggest you guys jump on that. When you get into the pomades, Suavecito. If you guys don't know about Suavecito, that's a great product, guys. Great seller. Me myself personally, never liked selling pomades until the last 3 years. Last 3 years, I've gone on into them, and they're a great seller. Tip Top's another great product, guys. Don't slip on this product. They have 3 different ones. They have the regular, this is a super hold, and they have the matte. All great products. Great products. Beard oils. I me myself, Woody's good stuff. I got it at a good price, selling like hotcakes. Maintain's a great product, guys. They have gels, they have shave gels, they have different types of products that they're coming up with, really good products. Clubman, you can never go wrong with Clubman beard 2-in-1 conditioner. I carry that. I have the beard butter right here. We also carry the beard butter. You know, I carry a lot of different things. You have to have a retail business if you're gonna be in this business, guys. It's just plain and simple. That's what it comes down to. Clubman aftershave, guys. If you guys don't sell this at your shop, man, you guys are missing out on money. This is a great product right here. This stuff right here sells like hotcakes. People love this. Now, over here on my brushes, if you guys can see right there, I carry a lot of different types of brushes, combs, just different little things. You know, it's all about retail, guys. You know, if you're gonna own a barbershop, you have to take advantage of that extra income that's coming in. Because if not, I mean, what are you gonna do? I mean, you're just gonna worry about haircuts only. There's days when, you know, I don't sell a lot of haircuts, but I sell a lot of gel. So it goes hand in hand. You guys have to stay motivated. You guys have to buy product. In order to make money, you have to spend money, guys. Remember that. In order to have this right here, all these different products, I have to spend my money to have all this product on hand. So, you know, it's the upcharge retail price, you know, like you have to have it, you know. If you're not investing in retail product, guys, then you guys are losing out. That's a great way to pick up your income at your barbershop. Okay, guys, that's it for today, guys. Today was an extremely busy, again, really hot. The end of this week, I'm done for this week. This week was incredible only in the sense that it was just so damn hot, you know, and it's a massive heat wave here in California, Los Angeles basin. So, like, I don't know, I guess my last 2 vlogs were about how hot it is, so I guess, you know, I could just say it one last time. Hopefully when I come back on Thursday, it's not going to be this hot no more. So, with that being said, guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I posted up a couple haircuts. If you guys have any questions, if you guys have any concerns, let me know. Guys, right now we're sitting at 261 subscribers, so we only need 39 more subscribers so I can give you guys that free GTX skeletonized, already modified blade, everything. It's a badass machine, guys. That's what I use every single day to cut with. I'm gonna give that, guys, away for you guys for free for just watching and subscribing. So in order to win that machine, guys, you guys are gonna have to be subscribers. All right, I'm not gonna give this away to somebody who just happened to jump on my vlog for that day and that's it. You had to have been a subscriber, and you need to participate. You need to leave some comments below. It's only 39 more. I estimate that probably within a week or 2 we should be giving that thing away. All right. That being said, guys, I'll see you guys on Thursday. You guys have a blessed week. I don't think I'm going to work tomorrow or Wednesday, but you know how it is. When you're shorthanded, you're always up to go to work. I'll see you guys mañana.